Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Mathematics Point, being Aman of Allah. So students, today I'm here with chapter 8, again with chapter 8, because as you know that we have continued this chapter 8, so again I'm here with the chapter 8 percentage exercise 8a book D1 and question 10. In the last lecture we just had covered the question number 9, now we do the question number 10. Okay ji, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the question is, find the value of each of the following. I again repeated one thing, that this chapter in the new book is the chapter 4 and in the old one it is the chapter 8. Okay, so the question 10 is, find the value of each of the following, and we have to find the value of what? Part A is 6 or 1 by 6 1 by 5 percentage of 1.35 milliliter. I hope so we already done this type of question. I guess that is in the practice now. We want to represent, okay gee, yes, we do the same process, same method in the question 5, representing the percentage of one this percentage into that. So this is how we solve this question. This is a mixed form. In that question we just have the whole fraction percentage, and here we have a mixed percentage. We will find out the value of 6 whole 1 by 5 percentage of 1.35. We will find, okay, if you have the amount 1.35 milliliter, so 6 whole 1 by 5 percentage will become water. Okay ji, start the question. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, marker. Already the term is given in the form of percentage. This is the percentage one, 6 whole 1 by 5. And to remove the percentage sign, as you learned in the earlier lecture, we have to divide that term with 100. When we want to convert the term into the percentage, suppose if I had the sign percentage sign, and suppose I have the term 6 whole 1 by 5, and I want to convert this term into the percentage, what we will do, just multiply this term by 100 percentage. But now when already we have this term in the percentage and we want to remove or solve this percentage, so what we will do, we just divide it by the 100. It is a vice versa or reverse process, that when we want to convert, so we multiply by the 100, and when we want to remove, so we divide by the 100. Okay, of means multiply of 1.35. Now in the next term we will remove the point of this term. Okay, 5 6 is 30 plus 1 31 by 5. Divide. I keep this term in the bracket because there is no term divide and again divide, so keep that term in the bracket. So this is the 1 dividend and the whole term is divided by 100. And now remove the point. For removing the point, what thing we do, just below the point we just write down the 1, and the digits that are after the point, that we have the 2 digits 1 2, so we write down 0 here, and then this point will be removed. Okay, now we will multiply the numerator and then with the multiply the denominator. Okay, now multiply the numerator first. चलिए जी, कैलकुलेटर यूज़ करते हैं और ज़िंदगी को आसान कर लेते हैं. 31 divided by 5 and multiply by, okay जी, multiply by 135. Oh, answer is 837. Okay जी, 837. क्या किए, 31 डिवाइडेड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 135, इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया एंड देन डिवाइडेड बाय 5. देन 5 आपको पता है ये कटिंग कर देगा, यहाँ पे 5 टेबल से कट हो जाएगा, तो हमारे पास टर्म आ जाएगी, दैट इज 837. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई द 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000. ठीक है, 111 and write on the zeros 1 2 3 4 together. So this is the term. Now we simplify this term. Okay, so this term not come in the same table, and already we have a proper fraction because numerator smaller than denominator. So write the answer here. Don't need to write it in the fraction, as yes, there is no restriction in the question that you have to give your answer in the fraction, so they will be correct. This is our answer. Or if you want to solve, so you can also divide it 837 by 10,000, but there is no need to divide this time. Now move towards the part B of this question. Okay, Chief. 56 so 7 by 8 percentage of 810 meter. Yes, 810 meter. Now write on 56 7 whole 7 by 8 percentage, and this percentage we want to convert, so divide by 100. Now when we divide by 100, this percentage sign will be removed, don't need to write again it here. And of 8 percentage, so multiply by 8 10. Okay, now solve this mixed fraction. 56 into 8 is equal to 448, then plus 7 here, so it become 4 5 5 by 8. Okay ji, and divided by 100 and multiply by 810 810 meter percentage के पास लिख रही हूँ 810 meter और ये 100 है. चलें जी, now we will solve this with the help of calculator. 455 divided by 8, ठीक है, bracket close, multiply by 810. First the formula, and again divide this term by 100. So in the point, this answer is 460.68. So again I just round off that term, so it will become 69. 460.69 meter, or you round off here 7, 460.7. So in the point it is easy, because when you do the calculation and write your answer in the mixed form, so in mixed form it is the answer 46011 by 16 meter. Okay, so now we solve the part C, in which we have to find out the value of 0.56 percentage of 15,000 liter. So 0.56 percentage, so for the percentage we divide by the 100 and 15,000 already in the percentage, so remove this sign, we divide by the 100. Now we'll remove the point of this term when we put the 1 below point and then 2 zeros, so again it become 100. Multiply 100, this 100 of the point when we when we remove the point, and this 100 already, that is of the percentage. This is what I'm just doing the working, 0.56. so below point we write on 1 and 2 digits are here, so 2 zeros, so that is 100. I put 100 here by solving this way. Then simplify it, so cut these 2 0 by this one by this, now it become 56 multiplied by 15 liter, that is in liter, yes, that is in liter, and then divided by 10. So multiply 56 multiplied by 15 and then divided by 10. So our answer is 84 liter. Okay, so now we find that we have to find out percentage. Find the value of 2000 percentage of 5C. Then when we remove this percentage sign, so divided by the 100 and multiply by 5C. So cut it here and you get the answer 520 multiplied by 5, and here 10. Yes, 10 3, and that is the answer of that is the answer in cents. So don't need to convert into other unit, but if they required, so as we know that in $1 is equal to 100 cents. C is the symbol of cents, okay. See, so 100 cents, so we write it as here $1. But if they required it, if you keep your answer here, that will be fine, because there is no restriction now, you have to convert this in this unit. So, and if you want to do that, if you want to find the answer as given in the back side, so you convert your unit cents into $100, and you know that $1 is equal to 100 cents, so you can write it as here. So the rest is done with your question. 10. If you have problem or you're any queries, so you can put your query in the comment box. And then it's very important thing that if you didn't subscribe the channel right now, so kindly subscribe. We also recommend to the other students and press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.